Habitat loss
The use
and
of titling
restoration.
for the beginning
The United States
was combined
is home to a
with an
vast
image
range of wild
and the
plant
title
life
for that
and
page.
a diverse range of ecosystems.
The title clip was placed on
But
video
American
2 track,
native plant
and the title clip
communities
was
are
also
under
placed
threat.
above on
These
video 3
threats are
track,
habitat
overlapping
loss,
into the first
wildfires,
slide,
chemical
or
pollution,
first
and
video.
climate change,
Adding the
has all
dissolve
taken a
effect to both
toll
slides
on native
to
plant
transition
communities.
properly. The
As natural
subtitles for each
habitats have been
section were
degraded,
created by simply
native
choosing the
plant
text and
communities
placing it
have
on a
lost
black
their
background,
resilience
which was
and
appropriate
have
for the lettering
become
effect.
endangered or
The
extinct.
credits were created
How can native
by a
plant
title
habitats be
and
restored?
selecting roll
What
to
can we
roll
do to
the
help
credits.
restore native plant habitats? Using native plants
The use
to
of video
restore
transitions
landscape can
in
help
the video.
to reverse the development
To provide a smooth
of
in and out
species
clip
loss.
transition,
There are
cross-dissolve
several
transition
benefits
default
and
was
advantages
used to make the
of
sequence clip
native
flow
plants.
into
Native
each other.
plants preserve
Each
our natural
title
heritage
and still
and
clip,
add beauty to
the
landscape,
cross-dissolve
which
effect was
require
applied to make the
very
transition
little
more
long-term
seamless.
maintenance
The
if
film
they are
dissolve
properly
effect to
established
blend
and
one
planted.
image into another.
Native plants serve as an important genetic
Still
resource
images were provided by
for
each
future
member.
food
Some of the
crops
personal still
or
images
other
and some were
plant-resulting
purchased for the
products.
video. In arranging and
Native
determining the
plants
length of
provide
each still
food and
was decided by the
habitats
length
for
of the
native
audio
wildlife.
narration. They ranged from
Native plants
11.17
protect water
seconds to
quality
13
by
seconds.
controlling
Each
soil
team members
erosion
provided
and
about
moderating
5 to 6
floods
still
and
images
droughts,
along with
just
the
to
video
name a few
clips to
advantages
incorporate in their
of
section.
native plants.
So
The
combining the
keystone
audio
elements of
along with
ecosystem
the video and
restorations
still
are
images,
provided
each
by
member's
the
section
native
was about
plant
2 minutes
species.
long. I'm a member of the Missouri Department of Conservation, and it is very important that we conserve our resources. And one of our resources is our land and our animals and our plants. And it's very important that you plant indigenous plants to the area in which you are.
Garden, for instance,
Creating the sequences,
they
we each
function
provided
like a
video,
miniature
audio,
natural
and images for
watershed.
different regions and
They
discussed the
slow
region.
water flow by using
Each member
elements similar
provided
to those in
information
nature,
audio
plants,
concerning
rocks,
conservation and
shallow
planting
swales,
indigenous plants.
and
In
depressions
reviewing
that
our
hold water
audio for
temporarily
each member,
rather than
that's how
let
the
it go
video
quickly and
sequence
escape.
lengths were determined.
Rain
After
gardens
deciding the
minimize
audio,
flooding and the loss
the
of
next
soil,
step was to decide how the
and
images and
improve water
videos would
quality
be incorporated
in
in the
lakes and
video.
rivers by
Some of the
reducing
images and
silt.
videos were trimmed down to meet the
So
audio of
not
the
only
person
do the
speaking and
plants
arrange it in
themselves
order of details in the audio.
grow better in their natural habitat, but also do the animals survive from this. The soil is better because of this. It's very important to plant indigenous plants in and around your area.
In the use of
Conservation,
audio, we wanted to
education, and
remove grainy
departments
background
help
noise.
people of
To
all
do this, we
ages
clicked on Audio in the
understand and
Effects tab,
appreciate our
and then
country's
clicked on
natural
Denoiser.
resources,
Then
and how to
scrolled
learn
down to
and
Reduction
conserve those
and toggled
resources
the
for
marker
future
until it was at our
generations.
liking, which
It
worked
also
well.
enables people
then
to
did a
realize
similar
how
process
natural
with
resources and
delay effect.
ecosystems affect each other and how
Although
resources
this
can be
effect puts a
used
time
wisely.
delay on the audio.
With the knowledge of conservation,
Some of our audio was
it helps
louder than
encourage
others,
people to act
so
on their
we had
own
to adjust the
and to
volume by
conserve
opening up the
natural
audio
resources
tracks
and use
and
them in a
dragging the middle
responsible
line
manner
up
by
or down
making
to
informed
get louder or
resource
quieter
decisions.
audio. This was not enough to
Conservation departments
compensate
are
for the
located all over the
conversational
U.S. Majority
volume
of these
variance.
departments are found
So to
within
make
state
adjustments
and county parks and
by
are of
using
course
the
open to
select
the public.
tool and
Conservation
clicking on the line
officers, as well as
creates
state
keyframes allowing
rangers,
smaller
and even
changes throughout the
certified
timeline.
nature enthusiasts
Some of the
teach
tracks
many
were
classes
stereo,
that
which we
include
converted
information
to
about
dual mono.
local wildlife,
Some of
trees,
the audio
plants,
had parameter changes,
rocks and minerals,
audio mixer
as well
for
as
each track
information
to work and
about
fit
the
correctly
many
within
different
the video.
ecosystems that are in
Our
their
background
location.
music played at a lower volume.
Also,
dB
planting flowers,
was
fruits,
negative
and
14.
vegetation
Also,
that
a
are
fade out
indigenous
was
to the
used
area,
for a
provide food and
transition
cover
at the
for
end of the
butterflies,
narration
birds,
clips.
insects, and
Some
other
of the
wildlife.
audio was linked with a
These
video.
native plants
Therese
are adapted
was the
to our
only one that
climate,
actually They're adapted to our
had a
soil.
video of her narration.
They require little or
Since
no
it was the only
irrigation.
one, we chose to eliminate
Seldom
the video
do
from
they
that
require
clip,
fertilizers
which
or
was then
pesticides.
unlinked. By
So
clicking on
it is to our benefit
on
to
just the
plant
video of that clip
native
and
plants
pressing
in our
delete
area.
for audio.
Jamaica is a small island in the West Indies. It is known for its tropical weather all year round. It is a vacation tourist spot for a lot of people from different countries, including the United States. But what a lot of people don't know about
use of
Jamaica is that it
video
is known for its
effects.
blue mahon
The video
tree,
effect
which is
of
better known to
Bevel's
Jamaicans as the
perspective
hibiscus.
effect
This tree
used in the
grows to
rainforest video
probably
in the
66
Indigenous
feet
region of
or more in
Jamaica.
height.
This
This
gave
tree
the
is
video a
quite
darker
attractive
look
with its straight
and sharp
trunk,
effect.
broad green leaves,
colors
and
are vibrant,
hibiscus-like flowers.
and yet have
The
the
attractive
effect
flowers
of
changes
filling your
colors as it mature,
comparing
going from
the
bright yellow
conservation
to orange
video
red,
clip
and
located in the
finally
Indigenous
a
region
crimson color.
Missouri,
The meaning
I
of this
decided to
tree
use
was derived
the
from the
autocolor,
Carib
adjust
Indian
effect.
word the blue,
In
refers to
using
blue-green
autocolor, it brightened
streaks
the video
in the
with the
polished
color
wood,
effect to
giving
make
it
it
a
stand out.
distinctive appearance.
Lastly, the effect
Another plant
used
in
the
Jamaica
Indigenous
is known
region
as
of
the
Pennsylvania
linguistus
clips
vital tree,
was a
which is one of the most
blend
useful
channel
in the
effect.
world. This is because
It added a
its
different
components,
effect of
the
normal
body,
blend.
gum, bark,
video was
fruit,
more-
leaves, and
has
blossoms
more
all serve some
opacity
useful purpose.
of the foreground
In fact,
images.
the tree has been
Sarah created a
regarded
great video
for its
footage of
medical
the wilderness,
properties. Another thing
providing
about
a different
Jamaica is that
effect
since it's a
throughout
tropical
the
island,
video
it is
that
known
made a great
for a lot of
difference in the
medical
original videos.
a lot of medical vegetation such as marijuana, which is used to treat a lot of different diseases, like it helps reduce fever and it helps with the eyesight and glaucoma, and also is good for the mental and mind stimulation. But Jamaica also has a rainforest, which is very beautiful in the certain time of year, like in the fall and so forth, which make it a
Publishing
very
our
attractive
video.
tourist island.
In the File tab, we go to Export, and in the Export settings, there are choices of where to publish. Your choices are YouTube, Vimeo, and Creative Cloud. The format needs to be selected, and the boxes Export Video and Export Audio need to be selected. And then finish with Export. The end.